How to link bank account with Square. Hello guys and welcome back to today's video. In today's video, we will be teaching you how you will be able to connect your bank account. So over here right now, as you can see, we're currently in the dashboard. What we're going to do is we're going to scroll down a bit over here on the left side. You will see that there's an option, banking. Select this option and click on loans or any of this option. Over here, you will be able to see an option over here to connect a bank. So you can connect a bank and you will be able to use it for your business or for anything that you want to use. It could also serve as eligibility or like helps you approve your eligibility and verify who you are. So that's basically it guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.